Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is more of a where have we been unboxing type of video. Looking back at technology, what we're used to seeing versus what we've got in the past. So this is a little bit different. And I know I say this, we're doing something a little different. Today, we really are doing something different. We're unboxing a phone that I think is like 6-7 years old. Just taking a look at the difference in the boxes. Here's the actual difference of the box. Here is the width difference. So you can see that the boxes are definitely different sizes from what they used to be in years past. And the specs, the back of the box has significantly changed. We used to actually get all these goodies on the back of the actual box. With this, well, we don't really know what we're getting in the box. This is all it says. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus pre-installed SIM, S Pen accessory, wall charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide. Whereas this one, it gives us some details. This is more like what's in the box. This is what's in the phone. This appears to be genuinely new. Right, we've got our do not open seal. So I'm thinking that the seal's not broken and the package is still nice and wrapped. So I don't know. This could be a fake. It only cost me like less than $120 on eBay, and I think it's gonna be interesting. So I wanted to share this experience with you guys. Where we are now, where we've been today. So let's get into it. We've got the dangerous unboxing knife. For all you weirdos out there, Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is when Samsung brought us a 5.5 HD Super AMOLED screen. So even back in the day, Samsung was bringing us the AMOLED screen. Now, what worries me a little bit about this from the very beginning is we're dealing with a 16 gig device. Am I going to be able to use this in my daily life? I'm probably going to connect it to Wi-Fi and try to go through my day tomorrow and see what it's like to live in the life of this phone. I'm excited. I'm just as excited for this device as I was for this device. And I can't even explain it, guys. It's like a piece of history is in my hand. What's this? This is different. This appears to be a used battery. It doesn't look new. I don't even know if the battery's gonna work. All right, let's keep going. This thing has been in the box for years. Who knows where it's been? I'm skeptical that this thing hasn't been put into use or that this isn't a used model. I'm a little nervous about the battery. Gonna be impressed if it does turn on right now. So I'm gonna throw this in just like that. The battery looks a little suspect. I'm gonna be honest. It does. It fits. It could just be that the battery has changed though. This could be a refurbished model. There's all sorts of proper explanations as to why the battery doesn't look pristine. That, and it's probably just several years old. I think these used to like snap on all the way around. So I'm gonna go around and snap these backs on. We've got the Super AMOLED, Android, quad-core Bluetooth, and this has, it's NFC. This is when we had to make a big deal about NFC to say, hey, this device has NFC, which stands for Near Field Communication. Allows us to do all sorts of things, file, data sharing, and in this day and age, we use it more importantly for mobile payments. The moment we're gonna see if this bad boy powers on. So let's just go ahead. Let's take a look at the differences of these, the evolution of the Galaxy Note, if you will. We've got the Note 10 Plus, gorgeous. We've got the front. Here's the front of the Note. Now this actually has the under the screen fingerprint sensor, which I think works pretty good. And this is, of course, just the screen And it's got the selfie cam and a couple little sensors up there, and there we've just got the one camera, whereas Samsung used to cram all sorts of sensors at the top of their devices. So let's turn it on and see if there's any juice. Let's see if this doesn't explode on us if we have to plug it in just to turn it on. This is like nerve-wracking to me. Oh, whew, it came on! I'm so excited. I don't know how much battery's in here. GT-N7 something. It's got a nice little haptic feedback to it. It really does. Insert SIM. We don't have a SIM, so we're just gonna hit next. Wi-Fi. It's looking for my Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to connect to it. Actually, we're sitting at 47% battery. So I wonder what it's gonna look like to restore a newer phone back up to this device. We're gonna go for the whole experience. We're gonna sign into our Samsung account. I don't know if I know my Samsung account password. Now over here, it's got that little screen flick. You guys remember that guy? And it's evolved into that. So this is the Edge menu as we know it, right? Beautiful. And it started from this guy right there. All right, we've got our home button, which we miss those, don't we? Or do we? We've got software updates, sign-in requests, all sorts of stuff. See, it's whistling at me now. Oh my, you remember when this phone used to whistle at you? Wow. Here's the camera on this thing. So let's go ahead and take a quick little snap. Boom. All right. As you see, it takes a while to focus in on it. In direct light, it absolutely does nothing. But over here, gets us focused in a little bit more. Boom. For as old as this device is, it doesn't look like a bad photo. Take a look at this guy in old school S Pen. Remember these guys from back in the day? Opera Mini. It's still a thing on this phone. Got widgets, all sorts of stuff. I don't even know what this is. It's like an extra little menu button. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This device was revolutionary for its time. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit software update, and I'm gonna update this to the latest version of Android that this device will allow me to go to. I don't know if it'll let me go to 10, but I'm gonna go as far as I can, and I'm gonna take the phone and I'm going to use it in my daily life tomorrow, and I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna bring you guys back a comparison in about a week or so about the differences between the two devices, where technology has been and where technology has gone. I'm gonna take one for you guys, and I'm gonna put my main SIM in this device, and I'm gonna see how it looks and feels. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw today, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you really like what you saw today, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget the notification bell. Ding! And you can pay me the absolute ultimate compliment by sharing my content on your social media. Thanks for watching again. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.